Our digital and AI technology has been able to save, well, currently we're about 36 million meals being saved per year across all our clients in the globe. What we usually see in commercial kitchens that we work with is between 5 to 15% annually of the food spend actually goes to waste. So think of a kitchen having an annual food spend of $300,000. Taking the bare minimum, 5%, what we see, that's $15,000 just being thrown into the bin every year. What we are able to do on global, our average, is cutting that down by 50%. If you can use a tablet, you can use the system. It comes with a digital scale, which gets placed on your kitchen floor with your kitchen bin on top of it. That scale is connected to a screen with a motion-sensitive camera right underneath it, which looks directly into your bin. Every time a food waste item is scraped up into the bin, the camera takes a picture and in real time recognizes what the food waste item is through our AI technology. It records things such as the weight and the value of the item and of course what it is. And throughout the day, throughout the week, all that data gets uploaded into a cloud-based server where we do all the analysis and processing of the data from our side. So it does work on machine learning and it actually learns from all the Winnow vision systems that we have deployed globally.